Hello, my name is Kinjal Chaudhary and I'm here to continue our last topic, which is database. And as I said, our next topic will be DBMS. And this is the second video of sequel. So let's understand what is DBMS, right? So what is database? It's a place where we store our data in a systematic and organized manner, right? We understand this? Now, what is DBMS, database management system? So it is nothing, a system, right? A system which manages the database, right? So it is a software which is used to maintain and manage what? Our database, right? So how it will manage and how we will communicate with the database using this software? By using a query language which will communicate with the database. So the query language in our case is SQL, right? So we'll use a structured query language to communicate with the database. So this is a database, and here we have in an organized manner our data is stored. This is our database, right? Plus with security and authorization. Okay, so this complete system is our database, which will give us the security and authorization, right? How we will communicate with this thing? How we'll get the data? How we'll get the data from the database? Using SQL. Okay. Now, in DBMS, data store is in file format. Okay. In DBMS, when it comes to DBMS, it is stored in a file format, right? It can be CSV, it can be Excel, it can be JSON, anything it can be. Okay. Fourth thing is that, as we know, we can do a CRUD operations. And the fifth thing to keep in mind is it will provide us security and authorization. Okay. So what first thing? So let me conclude this complete thing for you, what it is exactly doing. So database is a first thing to keep in mind is a software. DBMS is a software. What it will do, it will maintain and manage what? Our DB. First thing done. Second thing, how we will communicate with the database? Using query language. In our case, it is SQL. And in DBMS, how data is stored? Data is stored in file formats, right? Third thing, it's clear. Fourth thing, we can do CRUD operations, right? Fifth thing, it will provide us security and authorization. So database is shown everywhere in this format. Okay, this is your DB. What it will do, it will give you a security and authorization. That's it. 5 things. When it comes to DB, it is a software where we maintain and manage the DB. Second, query to communicate with the DB, we need a SQL. And third, all data is stored in file format. Fourth, we can do a CRUD operation. And fifth, it will provide us with security and authorization. Okay. So the next thing, how many types of DB are present? The first is network DB. Second is hierarchical. Third is relational, and fourth is your object oriented. So we'll mainly focus on what is relational DBMS. Okay, in the next video I'll make you understand what is RDBMS. Okay, thank you.